Hello everyone. So today what I'm going to show you is basically how to use any box, any watch box, any other jewelry box that you have gotten. Instead of throwing that box out, you can use the box to utilize it in a decorative way and make a beautiful flower plant decoration just like the one that is shown here. Instead of buying it for a much higher price from a store, this DIY created orchid plant just kind of looks like what you would buy at a store. So in order to make that, what I used was right here. I just have a Michael core. This is a watch box Michael core, and that would just work as the pot for the orchid plant, and just some regular marbles that you can buy at any store, and a plastic cup that was cut out. So you can just take any disposable cup, cut it out, fill it with some marbles, and just stick the you have to get some type of flower, orchid or anything. You can get it from Michael's. Basically just one bush. I prefer orchids because they look most beautiful and work well with this, but you can have roses or any bulkier flower that you would like. Basically just stick it in and then put the marble in there and just put the bush in there, and the final product will look like this. You can also use, just if you don't want to use marble, you can just use soil that you can get from your backyard or wherever, and just put soil inside and stick the plant. This is artificial, so just stick the artificial bush in, and when you see it from far away, it really just looks very pretty, like it's bought from outside. No one can tell that you're using a box that is being reused, and it even looks real from far away, but you don't have to maintain it. It will look just like it's real from far away, and you will get it in a much lesser price. Now if you want to take it a step further and give it a fancy description or a fancy sign, then you can go online, print a logo of any brand that you'd like. For example, you could do a small Chanel logo, like so. Just kind of make a printout of a small Chanel logo, and you can cut it out and just, if you like, just paste it on in the middle of one of the sides of the cube, and whatever logo you'd like, what writings, it all depends on you. If you don't want it, also looks beautiful just without anything, but if you would like to, you could go ahead and stick that with glue stick and just black and white logo. That would also look very elegant. Alright, so that's for my DIY using any box that you would trash otherwise. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.